Go.
Here's the original position of 39 drones in the space. There are 39 potential collisions. You can see how close some of the drones are, and they will potentially collide. So it's going to compute the distances and then compute the first set of adjustments based on the collision avoidance algorithms that it needs to do. And this is the new positions after the first round of adjustments. It now shows 76 potential collisions. So now it's going to start adjusting them, and every half second is going to adjust them again until there are no more collisions possible among the 39 drones. So you can watch it now change. And you can see it changing the velocity vectors of each of the drones that are potential collisions. You can see some of them are stationary because there's no potential for collisions, and it's now adjusting each of the drones that are left, and eventually it'll stop when there are no more potential collisions among drones. And there it's done.